You might never imagine that the simple mugwort plant growing near your house could become a powerful natural ally for your health, all through one easy steaming session. This traditional herb has long been the longevity secret of a 95-year-old doctor who has relied on it for decades. Even now, he remains clear-minded, strong, and full of vitality. Could this common plant be hiding a remarkable wellness secret? Today, I'll share this fascinating remedy with you. Watch closely and give it a try for yourself. It's a natural, affordable way to protect your body. During the summer months, mugwort grows abundantly and reaches its peak season. It appears both in the wild and in home gardens, carrying many regional names. What is it called where you live? When picking mugwort, choose the freshest, greenest leaves. If you buy it at the market, remove wilted or yellowing leaves and trim away tough stems. Known as the king of herbs, mugwort contains aromatic oils, natural acids, bitter elements, resins, and nutrients such as vitamin C. It is widely used in traditional cooking and health recipes. Once harvested, begin by washing it. Fill a large basin with water and dissolve in some salt. Spread the mugwort evenly in the water, pressing it down so the leaves are fully submerged. Let it soak for about 10 minutes to loosen dirt and debris. After soaking, you'll notice the water turns cloudy and dirty. This shows how effective the method is. Lift and lower the mugwort with your hands to dislodge anything left. Then replace the water and rinse several times until it's crystal clear. This ensures the herb is both safe and clean. Drain the mugwort in a basket, transfer it to a cutting board and chop the leaves into pieces about 3 centimeters long. With every cut, a refreshing herbal fragrance fills the air. Spread the chopped mugwort evenly in a basket to help it air dry. Now prepare fresh ginger roots. Break them into smaller chunks for easier cleaning. Sprinkle them with salt and add a splash of water. Rub gently so the salt removes dirt from every crease in the skin. Scrape away stubborn areas with a knife. Rinse thoroughly until clean. And slice thinly. Keeping the skin adds balance since the peel has cooling properties compared to the warming flesh. Cut the ginger into fine shreds to help nutrients release more effectively. Mix the shredded ginger evenly with the mugwort leaves, coating them well. Prepare a steamer. Add water, place the tray inside, and spread the mixture on top. Cover and steam on high heat until the aroma of mugwort and ginger fills the kitchen. As soon as the steam rises, turn off the heat and uncover the lid. Transfer the steamed mixture to a pan and dry fry on low heat, stirring continuously. At first, you'll hear the sizzling of residual moisture. Gradually, the leaves curl, shrink, and release a stronger aroma. When the sizzling stops and the mixture becomes dry, yet still slightly flexible, it's ready. Spread it on a tray to cool and place it under the sun to finish drying. The warm rays will make the leaves curl, crisp up, and fill the air with fragrance. After 2 sunny days, the mugwort becomes crisp enough to crumble easily between your fingers. If the weather is damp, use a dehydrator on low heat to remove all moisture. This prevents mold and keeps the mixture safe for long-term storage. Once fully dried, transfer to a clean, airtight jar. Make sure it is completely dry and oil-free. Seal tightly to keep out humidity. Your homemade mugwort and ginger tea is now ready and can last for up to a year. Label the jar with the date so you can track freshness. To enjoy, take a spoonful into a cup, pour in boiling water, and watch the dried leaves unfurl as they release their deep herbal essence. Sip slowly. The warm, soothing flavor comforts your stomach and relaxes your body. This tea combines the healing energy of mugwort and ginger. Mugwort provides phytonutrients and a deep aroma, while ginger adds warmth and spice. Together, they aid digestion, support circulation, relieve joint pain, boost metabolism, and help fight colds, coughs, fever, and headaches. You can also soak your feet in a mugwort ginger infusion to relieve fatigue, reduce stress, and improve sleep. That's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this tip, please like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.